In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. Connecting Slack to Zapier can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing you to automate tasks across different applications. To begin, go to the home page of Zapier. Once you're on the home page, you will notice a variety of options and features that Zapier offers. Look for the App Connections option and click on that. This is where you can manage and create connections between different apps. After you click on App Connections, you'll find a button that says Create Connection. Give that a click. This will open up a new page where you can start specifying which apps you want to connect with each other. Next, you'll want to search for Slack. In the search bar, just type in Slack. This should bring up Slack in the list of applications. Once you see it, click on Slack. This action will lead you to the next step, where you'll need to add your Slack account to establish the connection. You'll be prompted to log into your Slack account, so make sure you have your username and password handy. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Slack workspace. This step is essential because Zapier needs permission to send and receive information from your Slack account. Once you have successfully logged into Slack and authorized the connection, you may be directed to a confirmation screen. This tells you that your Slack account is now connected to Zapier. Congratulations, you've made it. Now, from here, you can set up what are called Zaps. These are automated workflows that allow you to take actions across different applications. For example, you can create a Zap that sends a message to a specific Slack channel whenever you get a new email, or perhaps when someone fills out a form on your website. Take a moment to think about what kind of tasks you would like to automate. The possibilities are really endless, and once you see how fluidly the two applications work together, you might find yourself coming back to create even more Zaps to simplify your day-to-day operations. And that's basically it. You've successfully connected Slack to Zapier, making it possible for you to automate a plethora of tasks. Remember, automation can save you a lot of time and streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on what really matters. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to connect Slack to Zapier. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your productivity through automation. See you in the next video.